Well, this is Tech 20 coming to you with another Excel tutorial. What we're going to do today is we're going to be splitting up names. So let's say, for example, if you needed to go ahead and take basically have the first name and last name. You need to separate that out. We're going to go ahead and walk you through how to do that today. So what you're going to do is go ahead and select the data that you need to separate. So we got Jim Kahn, Mark Wall, Sally James, Donald Keller, Richard Wheaton. If any of these are your names, this is not pertaining to you. It's just names that I picked out of a hat. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead and click on data, and we're going to go ahead and click on text to columns here. It's going to bring us up a wizard. It's going to say a bunch of words. We want to make sure that delimited is the one that is selected here. Go ahead and click next. And generally, it is usually done by tab. You see how it changes. So you uncheck tab and go to space, and it puts the wall right between there. And you're going to go ahead and click next. And then general. You can also do it text, data, doesn't matter. Your destination is going to be A1, so that's where you're going to want it. You're going to go ahead and hit finish. You're going to notice that first name is now in the first column, last name is now in the B column. If you found this content helpful, please do feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel. If there's anything you'd like to see me cover, please leave in the comments below or on the community board. And I will try to do my best to get that covered for you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.